Hello everybody and welcome to Frosty Home Productions. I hope you are doing great. So today guys I'm going to be showing you how to get Steam games for like a very low price than just depositing through the wallet and then to buy your game. So right now you see I have $69. You can go to a website called waxpeer.com. Then we choose the skin as our preference or our depositing method, like the price of depositing, sorry, $5, okay? And the minimum is no need for that. So let's make sure they are skins, not stickers or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna take an example of Primal Saber Wall Worn Star Trek, and we're gonna check its price on Steam Market here. So we're gonna click here, then deposit to the website of Waxpeer. The website supports cryptocurrency and cards too, and gift cards, also Bitcoin and a lot of stuff. So once you make the deposit, you can go to the you can go and add your TradeLink profile here. Then you can send the skin to your Steam. So after you send the skin to your Steam, you'll receive it with like 8 days trade lock. Okay, then you go to the skin. Let's say the skin costs wait, sorry, as you can see, the skin here costs 6.79. You can even buy it 7.20. Let's say here we're gonna sell it for 7.20. Okay, oh, 7.20. So that's the profit we have made, as if we deposited $5 in PayPal. We are making a profit of $1, because here the skin cost $5. We sell it and we sell it for 7.2. After fees we get 6. And we click agree and okay, put it to sell and wait for the trade, and then we get the money. But make sure you have to wait for 7 days after the trade is done. And that's it. I see you guys in the next video.